Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are using Microsoft Remote Desktop and need a fast way to transfer files between your remote computer and your local PC, I will show you exactly how to enable drive sharing to do this easily right now. Let's get started. First, we need to access the advanced settings of your remote desktop connection. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open your Run dialog box. Type exactly mstsc and click OK. When the main remote desktop connection window appears, look at the bottom left corner and click on Show Options to expand the full menu. Next, we need to actively tell the remote computer to access your local hard drive. Click on the Local Resources and Resources tab at the top of the window. Under the Local Devices and Resources section, make absolutely sure the checkbox next to Clipboard is ticked so you can copy and paste text. Then, click the More button right below it, click the plus icon next to Drives, and check the specific local disks you want to share. Click OK to confirm your selection. Finally, click back over to the General tab, enter your normal connection credentials, and hit Connect. Once your session is established and you are looking at the remote computer's desktop, simply open its This PC folder. Under the Devices and Drives section, you will instantly see your local C drive mapped perfectly, allowing you to easily drag, drop, and transfer files back and forth between the two computers. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.